Hey there, welcome back to English with an Espresso, your quick daily dose of real, fluent English for the IELTS speaking test. Today's phrase is a small one, but super useful. So far. It is short, it is flexible, and it is something native speakers use all the time when talking about progress, experience, or updates. So if you are working on sounding more natural and fluent in IELTS, this one's a must. Alright, so what does so far actually mean? Basically, it means up until now. You use it when you are talking about something that started in the past and is still happening, or something where there might be more to come. It's often used to describe progress, experience, or ongoing results. Let's go through some examples so you can hear it in action. First, so far, I have completed 3 practice tests for IELTS. Second, the movie has been great so far. I am really enjoying it. Finally, so far, I have visited 5 countries and I am planning more next year. As you can see, it is perfect for when you want to talk about what you have done, but also leave room for what's coming next. Now, let's talk about why you should use so far in your IELTS speaking responses. First, it helps you show progress or experience, which is super useful in all 3 parts of the test. Second, it is a natural connector. It keeps your answers flowing smoothly. Finally, it is perfect for answers that are open-ended or ongoing, so you don't sound too final. Let's see how to use so far in IELTS speaking. In IELTS speaking part 1, when you have to describe a personal progress, let's take the question as, how are your English studies going? You can give your answer as, so far, they are going well. I have improved my vocabulary a lot, and I am working on fluency now. Okay, in IELTS speaking part 2, when you have to give a personal story, let's take the question, describe the goal you are working toward. So you can give the answer as, so far, I have made good progress. I take practice tests and join an English speaking group. I still have more to do, but I am getting closer to my target band. Okay. In IELTS speaking part 3, let's take the question as, do people today achieve their goals more easily than before? It's a broader opinion, so you can give the answer as, I think technology helps, yes. So far, most of my friends have achieved what they planned with the help of online tools and apps. Alright, band 9 pro tip is, practice using so far when talking about your journey, whether it is IELTS, work, school or life goals. It gives the examiner a clear picture of where you are at, and it keeps your answer open and realistic. And that's your espresso shot of English for today. Try using so far in your IELTS speaking responses to sound more natural and reflective. It is short, sweet, and super effective. If this episode helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share English with an Espresso for more bite-sized lessons to boost your band score. Catch you in the next one.